In this video, we will guide you through how to use Display Driver Uninstaller, also known as DDU. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. If you are planning to upgrade your graphics card, switching from Nvidia to AMD or vice versa, or simply want to completely reinstall your graphics driver, then DDU is one of the best tools that you can use. Unlike uninstalling driver through window, DDU removes leftover file, registry entry, and old driver component that can sometimes cause driver conflict or installation issue. So let's get started. First, just go ahead and open any browser to your liking. I'm going to be using Google Chrome, and then in the search bar, just go ahead and search for DDU and then press enter. And now you will see www.guru3d.com. So just go ahead and click on it to go inside the website, and then from here you will see two download option. You will also see the download option for ads, so make sure you click on the original download option and select the option that is nearest to you. In my case, I'm going with this option, and now here you can see our download has been successfully finished. It is a zip file. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and navigate to my file explorer and just go ahead and go inside the downloads folder. And here, if you cannot see your DDU, you can just go ahead and simply refresh the page, and then here you will see it will successfully appear. Now you can just go ahead and select the zip file and choose to extract all, and just go ahead and choose your extraction directory. I'm just gonna leave it at default and then click extract, and now you will see after extraction it will be successfully opened. So I'm just gonna go ahead and maximize. So now just go ahead and double click on DDU application, and here you can select the extraction. So just go ahead and click on the three dot to change your extraction, and then after that you can just go ahead and click on extract, and now you will see another folder will appear. You can just go ahead and double click on it and go inside, and then here just go ahead and double click on display driver uninstaller. Just click on yes if prompted, and after that your DDU will open. Now the first time you open DDU, you will see a message recommending that you use the program in safe mode for the cleanest possible driver removal. Safe mode is recommended because Windows loads only the essential driver, allowing DDU to remove graphics driver without interface. However, if you are simply reinstalling driver and don't want to restart into safe mode, many users including experienced PC builder use DDU successfully in normal window mode. If you want the safest option, use safe mode. Otherwise, you can just go ahead and continue in normal mode. So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on OK. And now just go ahead and click on the drop down, and here make sure you select your GPU. And now once you select your GPU, you will see a GPU model. From here, make sure to select your correct GPU, which in my case is going to be Nvidia GPU. Selecting the correct manufacturer ensures DDU removes only the driver related to that particular graphics hardware. Now you'll notice several buttons on the left hand side. The option that most people should use is clean and restart. This removes all the graphic driver files and then automatically restarts your computer. And after clicking on it, the cleanup process may take few minutes depending on your system. Once the process finishes, your computer will automatically restart. And that's basically it. You have successfully used DDU to completely remove your old graphics driver and prepare your system for a fresh driver installation.